My question is, their blood's acid, right? Or maybe it's an acid material, whatever, right? And when they were covering it up, the acid fell through the floor. I want to know if it went all the way through to outer space, or did it just eat through that first layer of floor?
It would depend.
Oh yeah.
It would depend on the acidity of the acid. There are some materials that it probably would not eat through.
Mm.
Uh, I'm assuming. I've always assumed when I watched Alien, because I had the DVD collection, and I was like, "Let's watch this all." And we watched the first one, and we're like falling off of it, but me too. And then I watched the rest by myself because we had to take a break after my least favorite scene in the movie, which was towards the end. Um, but I always assume that when the acid falls through, that there's a layer of the ship that is retardant and keeps the thing from like heating up on the inside and stops it from like burning up when it enters like an atmosphere or something. Not to mention the radiation shielding of the material of the ship. I assume that when it gets to that layer, it could be a situation where the polymers in the metal are weak on one side, but I'm assuming it's strong on both sides, which is why it gets to a certain point and the liquid just sits there.